today we're staying at Pop Century in a regular room. So we have the door here, we walk in, we have the window on the left hand side. Sorry for the lighting, it's kind of bad because it's later at night and there's not too many lights in here, which I've noticed since I walked in. So here we have like an ice bucket, we have some cups, we have a coffee maker with some outlets, we have the little place to put your suitcase if you want to prop it up. You can control the air conditioning in here. We have a mini fridge. This is different than what I've seen before because you actually can see into the fridge. Then if you walk here into the room, this is just an overview of the whole room. And you can see that we have a little shelf here. We have chairs and a table here. This bed will this is actually bed and we'll pull that into a bed, which I'm gonna do later. I'm just not able to do that right now. But as you can see, when this pulls that into a bed, the room definitely loses a lot of space. So I thought this was really smart and cool that you can use the table during the day and then the bed at night and pull it down. Then we have some more outlets over here, a cubby here, a sign with the room occupancy here. So then we have the TV area over here. We have some storage under here in these areas and some drawers as well. We also have a full TV here. It's tremendous with the remote and some information. They also have a card with Skyliner, which is really cool. Then we go over here, and apologies for the lighting too, it's not too good. A Mickey art above the bed, I think that's really cool. And then a bunch of pillows, I guess those are the extra pillows for the pull-out bed over here. And then we also have just a little notice from the manager of the hotel, mobile order, and a card with a quote as usual. So then we have some hooks over here, and let's head into the bathroom area. Okay, so now we just walked into the bathroom area. Right on the left-hand side when you walk in, you have some closet space here with some hangers. We have an iron over here, which is really cool. Some extra toilet paper cabinet space up here, and then we just have some stuff. Just don't mind those toiletries down there. We have some space underneath the sink area as well. The sink here with some soap and a full-length mirror, and then the mirror that comes out of the wall to look at yourself closer for like contacts or makeup. And it looks like they're still having some H2O products. So let's go into the regular bathroom area right now. Let's get the light on. So now in the regular bathroom area, we have just a shower, a toilet, a bunch of towels, and let's just walk in to the shower area. Looks pretty clean and modern. Looking forward to seeing how that is later. And then you can see the H2O products are built into the wall now in dispensers. So, and then the door here actually pulls shut, like slides shut. So that's it for our room tour. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and set alerts